Hello everyone, this is Bo from Dean Safe, and I'm really excited to show you a really great product series from Stealth Safes called the Essential Gun Safe series. And it comes in 3 different sizes of gun safes in this series. We have what we commonly refer to as the EGS, so Essential Gun Safe 14 or EGS series Gun Safe 14. It comes in the EGS 23 and then the EGS 28. Some really good features about this safe from the outside of these series of safes is this armored black paint that Stealth is known for. Really good looking one, but really durable. So great for those people that need to put one in a garage setting or something, or maybe in the home and still have it look really good but durable. All the Stealth safes in this series come with a UL rated electronic push button lock that's easy to use. You can change the battery from the outside. And then they all come with a 3-spoke handle on this. The only one that's a little bit different in this series is the EGS 28, comes with the subtle American flag on it. That isn't too out there. It's just a nice subtle, gives you a good look on that. We'll get into the specifics of this series when we go to the individual safes, but some things to mention on here is this is a really good series of safes to look at to get you into the gun safe market. So it's going to give you a good price point on it, but also give you really good features, especially when you're comparing them to other manufacturers that have a 30-minute fire rating. I think you're going to really like what Stealth Safe brings as far as the features that we're going to show you here. So if you don't mind subscribing to this channel, it really helps us create more content to get more information out to you. As I said, we were talking about the Essential Gun Safe series by Stealth Safes that we sell here at Dean Safe Company. And I wanted to break down each individual models. Remember, it comes in 3 different models. This particular model is the Essential Gun Safe 14, or as we refer to it as the EGS 14. And I want to get into the specifics of what this safe is and what you can do with it. So right off the bat, like I talked before, the first thing you see is this armored black paint that Stealth is known for. So really durable paint and a great looking paint. So easy to maintain, especially if it's in a garage or in the home. You could use a microfiber rag and easily dust it off on there. So a really good look. Then you have the UL electronic push button lock that we put on it. And then the 3-spoke handle to finish that outside look of it. So it's an attractive safe, even though it's a smaller safe in this category. Really attractive safe that can both be in the garage and be bolted down, or in the home, in a home office, something like that. It won't be an eyesore by any means. So let me get into the features of what you're getting with the EGS 14 safe. So like I said, we have the push button electronic lock, easy to put in, turn the handle, and you open the door. So the number one selling feature that Stealth has that we use at Dean Safe on all of Stealth safes, including the Essential Gun Safe series, this EGS series, is the Molle door panel. It really sets this safe apart from a lot of the competitors in this category. And what I mean by that is you'll notice that on this Molle door panel, this is all adjustable. Most safes in this category, either one, don't come with a door panel, or if they do come with a door panel, it's going to come with a fixed door panel. This one has the Molle capability, so these are all adjustable. So everything you see on here, and this comes with the safe, by the way, fully loaded like this, that you can move this around. And another great feature about having a door panel like this, if you already have Molle capable accessories, you can just add them right on this door. So you can do that. So that's the number one selling feature that Stealth Safe has that we see there. Another great feature on this Essential Gun Safe series is that you won't see this in a lot of the competitors in this category, that 30-45-minute fire rating category. You won't see that they provide a electronic outlet inside the safe. So it has 3 power outlets inside the safe, plus 2 USB charging ports that come with the safe. That's how it comes stock, so you don't have to add it or anything like that. About the size of this safe, which is really good, is this is essential gun safe, like we said, and then the number 14 refers to the number of long guns that can fit in the safe. So this is a 14 gun safe. I'll give you a little insider though. Realistically, it will fit 14 long guns if you have single shot 410s or something, but anything with scopes, realistically, you're going to easily be able to fit 10 long guns in there. So I'd really look at this as a 10 to 14 long gun safe for practical use on this. You do comes with an adjustable top shelf, so this can move up or down, and it holds up to 50 pounds on this top shelf, so you can load it up pretty good if you want a little bit of ammo, or if you have handguns that you want to put up there, paperwork especially, all of that. And then on that door panel, you have more slots here that we talked about on accessories, where you can put more paperwork on there. I was referring to the fire rating for a reason. So this is a 30-minute fire rated safe at 1200 degrees. What that means, so everybody's on the same page, is for a term of 30 minutes, the outside temperature at 1200 degrees means that the inside temperature didn't reach above 350 degrees. That's how gun safes are measured for their fire rating. So this is a 30-minute fire rated safe. And then on the burglary side of it, this is California DOJ approved on this particular unit. And then the last and best thing I think about this particular safe that you don't see in a lot of other competitors in this category safe is a lifetime warranty against attempted break-in, flood, and fire. There's a full lifetime warranty for repair or replacement of that safe free of charge for life. As far as security features here, we have 1-inch bolts on 2 sides here. And then the outer body on this particular series is 14 gauge body. And then the door is 2 pieces of 14 gauge. So we have a wraparound 14 gauge and then another full sheet of 14 gauge inside of that. And then on the security of the lock on the inside, it has what we call a hard plate to protect the lock against drill attacks, and an external relocker. So if somebody was able to manipulate that lock or disable the lock, I should say, then an external relocker will fire, and it'll just make it that much harder to get into the safe. So what this safe is good for, so the Essential Gun Safe 14 or EGS 14 is really good for that person, that customer that has a couple long guns and wants to grow a little bit, that is space limited, maybe can only fit it into a closet or only has a certain amount of room in a garage. This safe is going to be perfect for you as far as that goes. I recommend checking it out, deansafe.com, and please subscribe. It really helps us make more content for this.